Hey guys, welcome to 1159 Videos. I'm doing this little update outside since I do most of my work outside. We're talking about the new build we're going to be doing for our digital editor and doing our compositing and stuff like that. So I called AMD today and talked to them about their FX 8350. So it's 8-core processor. It's about $189 price range, and I've already talked to Gigabyte. I've been talking to Asus. The motherboards between the two, Gigabyte has the UD3, which was pretty decent, but the UD5 has a little bit more copper and ceramic cooling and little gadgets to go with. So I was looking at that one. It runs about 165 bucks. And then you have the Asus, and the Asus, still haven't decided on what to do on that one. I've read a little bit about them, and some good reviews, some bad reviews, but there's a new version that's out. It's supposed to be the version 3.0, and it allows for the PCI 3.0. So that's what that is, and that's the new for the video cards. So we're going to check it out. I got a little bit more reading to do between the two, but I'm going to go ahead and order the FX 8350. I think that's the processor to go with. I think it'll be able to handle any of the composites I do. Sometimes I use like particular. If I'm on my laptop, it will just freeze it up. Sometimes it takes me 6 tries to get it done. My older XPS system, it's alright. It keeps up with it, but I'm at the point now with the CS6, it requires 64-bit system, so I want something that's going to handle me for a few years here doing some editing and video work. So as the shows get bigger and better and more produced, doing a little bit multi-camera stuff. Kind of tired of looking like the Bruce Lee, where you're doing multi-cameras and stuff, and you're doing the editing, and his voice is like just one clip off. It's because when we're doing the editing, as we're playing through the editor, it's like a second off of the video compared to the audio. Audio is usually nice and smooth, but the video is just a tad off. So we're also going to up the video card to something that's 3 gigs, and we're going to explain different sections of this. You have to know how the RAM works on it compared to the old system, 32-bit systems. Most you're going to get is about 3 1/4 on the RAM gigabytes. So, and then some of the other systems too on the chipsets, they're up to 6 gigabytes per second on the SATA 3s. But we're also going to be doing an SSD hard drive to help keep up, so that we're going to try to solve any of the problems we've been having with multi-camera editing. And like I said, sometimes when I use particular, that little bad boy, if you're doing something real fine, it will lock up a computer faster than you can blink. So you better keep all your work saved, because otherwise it's gone. You got to start over from scratch. So anyways, that's a little bit about the FX 8350 build we're going to be doing by AMD. We're going to probably be using one of the new cases is, I think it's called a UD system or something like that. So we're going to go ahead, and each piece we do, I'm going to show it, review it, let you guys see. I pretty much know how my editors do. I'm going to explain bus speeds, the multipliers, all that good stuff. So as we go, I'll bring it out, I'll explain it. The new system, I'm probably going to run 16 gigabytes of RAM just to try. I was doing 4 gigabytes on the other one, which is actually 3 1/4 by the time your operating system takes what it needs. So I'm thinking 16 gigabytes should handle any type of particular or any of the like After Effects stuff that I throw at it. So anyways, that's just a little interview about the AMD build we're getting ready to do, and we'll be ordering the processor tonight. And then as I get the pieces in, we'll open them up, I'll show them to you and let you check them out. Catch you guys on the next one.